Welcome, students and teachers. I am Susie Christensen, Chief Justice of the Iowa Supreme Court. I am thrilled that your school chose to use the Iowa Judicial Branch website as a resource to learn about the United States Constitution and Iowa's state constitution. On this page, you will find information you need to better understand the importance of our constitutions and the role of the courts in our government. So what is the purpose of a constitution? I like to think of it as a blueprint for our federal and state governments. Both constitutions establish three independent branches of government: executive, legislative, and judicial, each with specific functions and duties to govern for the protection, security, and benefit of the people. An easy way to review and compare both constitutions is to simply click on one of the links you can find on this page. One of the important responsibilities of our judicial branch is to resolve disputes between Iowans. How do we do that? We make our decisions first by listening to parties and their lawyers. They will explain the facts of a case. We need to learn what happened and what kind of remedy are the parties requesting. Once we've gathered that information, we apply the facts to relevant legal authority, such as the federal or state constitution, as well as the laws passed by the Iowa legislature and signed by the governor. The court's decisions impact the lives of Iowans every day regarding their possessions, finances, relationships, and liberty. Something else you can find on the Judicial Branch's resource page are a few podcasts by Iowa Supreme Court justices. My colleague, Justice Dana Oxley, talks about the similarities and differences of the United States and Iowa constitutions. Another one of my colleagues, Justice Edward Mansfield, helps people understand how we select cases to be heard by the Iowa Supreme Court. My former colleague, retired Justice Brent Apple, shares his passion for the Iowa Constitution. And recently, I participated in a podcast to recognize the 60th anniversary of one of the most celebrated United States Supreme Court cases, Gideon versus Wainwright. In that case, the United States Supreme Court ruled that state courts are constitutionally required to provide counsel in criminal cases for defendants who cannot afford an attorney. I hope you find this resource page helpful as you study the United States and Iowa constitutions. Both documents belong to all Iowans, and it is important that we all try to better understand and appreciate their importance in our lives. Thank you.